Hello friends, in this video I am going to share my experience how I have created a website within 5 minutes. Now what you have to do is you can install this website code.in app from the Play Store and then log in by using your Gmail ID or Facebook account. Okay, once you have sign up with your Google account or Facebook account, the app will ask you to allow the permissions. Then uh, you can write your business name, say for example www.youtube.com, like that. You can write your business website name in the given description box. Okay, here I'm writing my name, for example www.manigandankrishnamurthy.com. Okay, like that you can write your business name in the given description box. Okay, once you have written there, and then you can select the category, business category. Here different categories had been given in this website. Next you can select your city name. Okay, you need to fill up this form before going to create this website from this app. Now you can give your mobile number. Okay, and select the country code. You can see here preferred domain name www.manigandankrishnamurthy.website.co.in. This app will host and they will provide the domain. If you are creating if you want to create any website, you need to get the hosting and domain service. If you want to get the domain, you need to get the paid subscription from this website. If you want to know the free hosting, free domain, please leave a comment section. In the comment section I will show you the free hosting and free domain service in the next video, friends. Now you can select the place where you are living. The internet connection is interrupted, so the process is getting low, friends. Please watch this video till the end so you will come to know how to create the website within 5 minutes. Okay, just you can select the place. Okay, then press the proceed option. In next video I will tell you how to get the free hosting and free domain service. Okay, in this video you have learned how to create your business website within 5 minutes. Yes, congratulations, you have created a stunning website within 4 minutes. Now you can share the link. Okay, I'm sharing that link to my account. Yes, I'm opening the link. Right now you are looking the website name which we have created in this video, friends. We need to update our contact details and email address and other related informations in the website which we have created. Okay, you can also create a website to promote your business across the world. I think this video will be very useful to you. If you want to get any other informations to create your own website, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I have received a email from the website co.in. If you want to get your own domain name, we need to get the paid subscription. Okay, I'll show you how much we need to pay for the domain to get the domain purposes. Okay, if you want to get the domain, we need to get the subscription, paid subscriptions. After paying the money, they can allow you to get the your own domain name. Okay, you can see here monthly, yearly, 3 yearly, and 5 years plans are available here. You can, if you have the time, please visit to this website. For month we need to pay around 2000 rupees, friends, for the hosting and for the domain purposes. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. Let's see next video.